How to fix lag in Blox Fruit Mobile. The very first thing that you'll have to double check is, of course, make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of your Roblox app. Just head directly to your Google Play Store, look for your Roblox application, and make sure that there is no visible update button that's going to be there. If there is one, just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, next thing you do is, of course, you'll have to have at least a stable or a higher internet speed. Now, once you have made sure that you have a stable internet connection, the next thing you do, if the issue still persists, then try to adjust all the game or the video game quality to the lowest resolution. If it still persists, then all you have to do is to clear cache or data from the game itself. So just press and hold from your Roblox application, tap on the eye icon, and in here choose on clear data. Now you have to do both, clear all data and clear cache. And then once everything is cleared, then you'll have to go ahead and try to rerun the game again. So those are the troubleshooting steps that you can try and do for you to be able to fix the log issues on Blox Fruit Mobile.